Hello everyone! Today, I will teach you on how to lock Facebook profile on iPhone. So, let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone and tap on the three-line menu in the toolbar. Then, navigate to Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings. In the Settings menu, find the Audience and Visibility section. Here, you can customize various settings to control who can see your profile information and activities. Start by limiting who can see your contact details such as email and mobile number by setting it to Only Me. Configure how people can find and contact you on the platform. Ensure that you select options like Only Me, Friends, or Friends of Friends for each activity to prevent unrestricted public access to your account. Navigate to your profile dashboard and view your profile photo. Tap on the three-dot menu in the upper right corner and choose Edit Privacy. Set the privacy option to Only Me to prevent viewers from downloading your profile photo to their device. By following these steps, you can enhance the privacy of your Facebook profile on your iPhone, even if the profile lock feature is not available in your country. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any question.